How's it going, everyone? Anthony here with Überleben, and today we are going to be talking about the Zünden 2.0 fire starter. I am super excited about all of the new upgrades that we've made in this model, and we're going to take a look at them right now. Let's go ahead and kick it off with what is the same. We have not changed our tried and true Sånft-Korr blend Ferrocerium. This is still the same Ferrocerium blend that you have come to know and love. This particular ferro rod is capable of 15,000 sparks, and that is a whole lot of fires that you can make with this. The Ferrocerium burns at around 5,500 degrees. So you will get molten showers at any altitude, any weather, and if it gets wet, all you gotta do, dry this off and you are ready to rock and roll again. Now let's go ahead and cover what is most likely the biggest change visually to this ferro rod. This right here is our new Holztek handle. This is a composite wood blend handle, and this is able to withstand the elements of nature way better than just a raw wood handle would by itself. Another great feature of this new handle is the thumb groove right here. And also we put a groove up here at the end for the lanyard so that it will never come loose on you. And now on to the other biggest visual change, but it isn't just visual. This right here is our new AmbiStriker, and yes, it is like it sounds. This is finally ambidextrous, unlike past strikers. This is designed to have better ergonomics with the thumb recess right here. This is really good if you have a stubborn fire going and you're really working this fire starter. You're really gonna love this thumb groove. It also has a lot of striking efficiency all along these edges. Again, both sides are ready to rock and roll there. And this is made of A3 carbon steel, and it has this coating on here to also prevent corrosion, just like the wood handle right here. All right, so there we have it. That is the Überleben Zünden 2.0 fire starter. We are super excited about all of these new updates. And aside from our proprietary blend of Ferrocerium, which we kept being made over in Austria, these are 100% made in the USA, and they are available right now at überleben.co. Head over and pick one up for yourself.